Welcome to the Christmas AI and software mega bundles, the biggest holiday deal you will see this year. You're getting Photoshop Web AI for 12 months, over 5,000 Elementor kits, and even a free 1-year domain on Namecheap. You will receive 1-year free linear business, full activated softwares, unlimited AI music creation, and access to over 1 million premium mobile apps. The mega offer starts December 1st and ends December 7th, and only 2 people will get slots each day, so act now before your chance is gone.
Right now, I will be showing you a preview of everything you will have access to in this bundle. But note that only 2 slots is available for today only. So make sure you pay as soon as you're seeing this so you can be among the 2 slots. This is the first one, which is the 12-month access to AI Photoshop Premium, right? So you can see the kind of design I did on it with AI. This is my image right here, and you can see a gradients background that I added, and I also add harmonization, so you can be able to generate AI image unlimitedly with this, and also do complex editing to any parts of an image or anything. You can also have access to AI image upscaler. That means it can upscale image that is very blur to a very sharp image. Also AI image expander. This is going to give you access, but mind you, you don't need to install Photoshop on your desktop or on your PC. It is all on web. You can see right now I'm on web and I'm able to have access to this AI Photoshop. That is really crazy. You can even have access to AI effects. It has AI effects that you can use on this place. You can see different things. This is effect right here. You can also use AI image harmonization, whereby it can blend an image to a background with the power of AI. So those are the things this AI Photoshop can do for you. So the second thing you will be getting access to in this bundle is 5,800 plus premium Elementor template kit. You can see them right here, which has plugins. It has Elementors, plugins, templates, and so on and so forth. You can see a lot of them right here. Elementor template kit, you can see for different years, and even compiled for different months. You can see 3D Plex, ADC, Apollo, Alcon, Arenalin, and so on and so forth. You can see how much that is. If I go to other sources as well, you can also see a lot of template kits for Elementor right here. If you use WordPress, you can see there are so many unlimited ones that you can use to build websites, you can use to build landing pages, and so much more. The third thing you will get access to in this bundle is a free 1-year domain name for your business. So you can use it to build your website, you can use it to build your store, you can use it to build your landing page or whatsoever. So this is a sample right here. You can see I registered this one, digitech.store, and you can see from November 30th, 2025 to November 30th, 2026. That is 1 year. And also I can renew it after 1 year, as you can see it right here. So that is how it works. It is a free 1-year domain name, and this is a preview of it. So this is the third tool you get access to in this bundle, and it's going to be 100% free for 1 year. And this is linear, right? It is very good for project and product planning and roadmaps, collaboration and documentation between designers, developers, and product teams, tracking progress, analytics, and reports, integration with development tools and automation. So it is very, very good for so many things, even with AI assisted product development for developers, and even for business management, connected with your team to know the progress and track progress with your team members, and so on and so forth. So it has a very robust use, and you can see the one that I registered right here. You can see valid through November 29, 2026. So this is 1 year plan right here. You understand? So you will also have access to this 1-year plan as well. So the next thing you're going to get access to in this bundle is the 4K Video Downloader Plus, and it's going to be the premium license. As you can see, I have the highest license, which is the professional license of it, which you can use to download video from any platform: YouTube, Vimeo, any social media at all. You just need to copy the link and paste it right here. You can see it can download video in HD quality, 4K, 2K, 1080p, and it can even download different formats as well. You can also download either video or audio. You can add subtitle, whereby any video you want to download is going to automatically subtitle it in different language that you want, either English or any other language you want to try here. So it is very, very good, and it is normally expensive. The real price is very, very expensive, but you are going to get access to it for free, the premium and the professional lifetime license. So this is the Yellow Lead Extractor Pro, and you'll be able to have access to this as well in this bundle. And this can help you extract emails, phone numbers, websites from different platforms like Yellow Page, Yelp, Infobell, and so on and so forth. So I'm on Yellow Page right now, so you can also come to website right here to select different ones that you want to do. So you can extract emails or data from any niche. If you are into website design, you are into graphic design, or anything, you want to promote your product or service to anyone or any particular niche in the US, in the UK, or any other country, so you can use this. You can see what I just did right here. I search for realtor based in Los Angeles, you can see, and I click on get data. It's actually brought out the name, the address, the email, the phone number, the website. So you can just do that, and it's going to go on and go to different pages, and you can also search for other niches, check for other websites, and so on and so forth. So this is going to help you a lot. You will also get access to this platform, whereby you'll be able to access unlimited AI music that you can use on TikTok, you can use on YouTube, you can use on Spotify, and so on and so forth. You can see you can convert lyrics into video for AI to create. You can convert lyrics into music, or even prompts into music. So let me play one of the musics for you.
Joy to the world, let's spread it right here. He's a person to my feel one.
So that was totally created with AI. So you have access to be able to create any kind of music by yourself with AI, even from your ideas, from prompts, and even from lyrics. You will also get access to unlocked premium versions of 1 million plus Android mobile apps, including lifetime access to Nano Banana for image generation and editing, plus 500 plus premium editing prompts that I'm going to add to it. So if you want to be a part of the lucky 2 slots, click the link below or send me a message on WhatsApp now for access.